What do you enjoy most about Chicken Tender Thursday?
The delicious chicken tenders.
You.
I'd probably say the Boom Boom sauce. I would agree with the Boom Boom sauce.
Hanging out with my friends. I'm just hungry.
Why aren't you here for Chicken Tender Thursday?
I'm a junior. I remember when Chicken Tender Thursday freshman year was a really big thing. It was really fun, and we had a different brand of chicken tenders. They were a lot better. I don't particularly care for the ones we have now, so I don't really get any sort of enjoyment out of Chicken Tender Thursday. I miss the old days when it was like that line out there was out the building, like out to the doors by the forum for Chicken Tender Thursday. It